In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to speech in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic feature that can bring your presentations to life, making them more engaging and accessible to diverse audiences. Whether you're using this for educational purposes, to assist those with visual impairments, or just to make the presentation process smoother for yourself, incorporating text-to-speech technology is a game changer. So let's dive right into the process. The first step is to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the application installed. You can access it by searching for PowerPoint in your Start menu or by any shortcut you have on your desktop. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and open the presentation you'd like to work with. If it's a new presentation, you can set up your slides just like you normally would, adding text, images, and any other content you need, but our focus here is on the text boxes, so ensure that your slides are populated with the text you wish to convert into speech. Next, navigate to the particular text box that you want the software to read aloud. Click inside the text box to activate it. You should see a cursor blinking inside it, which means it is selected and ready for further action. Now let's move to the top section of your PowerPoint interface. You'll see a range of tabs and options there, including the Home, Insert, Design tabs, and more. What you're looking for here is the Speak icon. You might wonder where exactly to find it. If it's not visible in your current toolbars, you may need to add it manually. To do this, right-click anywhere on the ribbon, a grey bar at the top of the screen, with your options for Home, Insert, etc., and choose Customize the ribbon. In the dialog box that appears, you'll be able to add the Speak command to your ribbon for easy access moving forward. Once the Speak icon is located or added, you simply need to click it to have PowerPoint read aloud the text in your selected text box. This feature is quite intuitive. It recognizes the text and begins the speech output immediately after clicking the icon. You should hear your text being read out by the system, providing you with an audio version of your slide content, and there you have it. With these steps, you can easily convert text into speech in PowerPoint, making your presentations more lively and inclusive. If you encounter any issues, make sure your computer's sound is enabled, and check the settings to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This feature is not only practical for creating dynamic presentations, but also enriches the overall experience for both you and your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your digital skills. We'll see you next time.